Okay, so I got my Ipsy bag for this month. It's here. And I do everything one-handed, don't forget. For this month of January, the card looks like this. It says Fresh Start by Ipsy. And then the back says, let's get fresh, fresh start. Okay. A kickoff so clean the possibilities are endless. Get ready for a fantastic and flawless 2015. And that's what it looks like. Okay. So then the bag this month is ugly. Sorry. But it's blue on one side. Really cool texture though. And then white on the other, and has like an orange zipper with the little Ipsy logo. And inside we have Echo Beauty by LA Fresh Group Good Day Moisturizer. It's an ample hydration, fresh and happier looking skin. It's the 0.5 ounce. And I guess it's supposed to help not dry out your skin and look so tired. It says apply generously to clean face and neck after using face serum. Well, unfortunately, I hate to say this, but I don't try some of my stuff. I just usually show you what I got, and then I will give you like a retail price. So this retails for about $13.99. And the next thing is the Pacifica Natural Mineral Coconut Eyeshadow it's 0.08 ounces. And I don't really know what color it is, or let me get it open. I'm like literally tearing this box apart. Here's a piece of it. Rest in peace. And I can't get it out. Like, I destroyed the box. Oh my gosh. It's like it's super glued in there. I just have to freaking tear this apart. Oh my god, I literally tore it apart and it's still not coming out. What the heck? Whoever packaged this is like really good at closing things up. They really don't want you to get a hold of it. Well, no freaking wonder. It's like glued to the freaking bottom of the little container. I don't know what the heck happened. Like, oh my gosh. Well, now we'll never be able to read the rest of that. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I already ripped this. but it's in the color Treasure. So that's that. Let's see if I can open the actual container. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's like a really pretty like gold color. I'll test it out for you. Really pretty. Kind of glittery. And that ranges for about $9.99. And then the next thing is Hickory eyeliner in the color Storm. This is 0.01 ounces. I don't even know why I'm telling you guys that. Like, what does it matter? I don't know. And this, oh god, of course it has a wrapper. Oh, dang. This is like a silver color. It's not really pretty. That's what it looks like. Can't focus. This freaking sucks. And this retails for $13. And then the next thing is Mana Sheer Glow Shimmer Lotion. That's what it looks like. It's 0.27 ounces. And that ranges for about $6 to $8. And then the last thing is a Maline Plus Goetz Mojito Lip Balm. It's 0.20 ounces. And it's just to prevent dry, irritated lips. That's what it looks like. And that retails for $12. So yeah, that's it. Bye.